Alright, so to change the air filter on a C32 AMG 2002 Mercedes Benz. Okay, first so you pull this cover, as you see here, straight up. So this cover's like this, and you just pull it from one side, this cover's out. So there's one in here, there's another one in here. So you need the T25, T20 would work. Just come all the way. You don't have to take it all the way up, but I'll show you what you do here. Just don't remove it. Okay. Well, I have to bring that guy. Anyways, here's the filter. I just replaced them anyways, just to show you guys. You just put it back. Make sure it stays in like this. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's 5, 6, that's 5, and I'll pick up 6, my magnet, and good to go. Just repeat for the other side, and those are my old air filters. Look, there's lots of stuff in there. That'll be all for today, and stay tuned for next videos or more videos on this AMG. Thank you.